Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you some settings on your Android phone that you just need to turn it off immediately to boost your privacy and security, make your Android phone more faster and less drain your phone battery. So let's begin. First of all, open your phone settings and then go to search bar and type here location and search it. After search, you can find location, just select it. Right now here you can see location services already turn on. That means your phone continuously share your location with apps and services. This can drain battery and raise privacy concern. Many apps don't actually need a full-time access. That's why immediately turn it off. Right now go back to your settings again, go to search bar and type background app. Right now here you can see I find background auto start. So here you can get a list those app working on background on your Android phone. Immediately turn it off. Actually it's running on background and kill your most of the memory or most of the battery capacity. That's why immediately turn it off. Right now again open your phone settings and go to search bar and type personalized. So right now you can find the option personalized ad. So this option actually track your activity across apps and website, use to show ad based on your behavior on interest. It doesn't improve your phone performance at all. That's why you just need to immediately turn it off. Right now go back and again open your settings and go to search bar. Go to search bar and type here auto app update. So right now you can find the option system apps update. Select it. Right now here you can see auto update. So after select there have two option or three option you can find. So you just need to select update using Wi-Fi. Right now I am going for the last settings that I just need to change. Go to search bar again, type notification and search it and then select app notifications. So right now here you can get the app list. They send you notification. Actually you just need to turn off them. Actually all apps don't need to send you notifications because they kill most of the battery life from your phone. That's why I just turn off them. So here you can see turn off them. So after do the all settings you can successfully turn off them and then you can boost your phone privacy and security, make your phone more faster and less drain your phone battery. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.